Hello, my loves. It is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. This is lesson 13 of jumpstarting your vegan journey. And today we are getting into the subtle art of treating yourself. This recipe is all about vegan comfort food, so let's get into it. Now, I just got one question. Why would you settle for a regular cheeseburger when you can feast on these loaded cheeseburger taquitos? That's right, today I'm bringing you a recipe that's meaty, cheesy, crispy, and oh so satisfying for those comfort food cravings. These taquitos are packed with sassy seasoned walnut burger meat. Add in some sautéed veggies, spicy pickles, vegan cheddar cheese, a whole lot of love, and you got a flavor explosion in every bite. And the best part? You can make a big batch, freeze them, and then cook them up whenever you need a magical meal on the go. Now, let's start with the star of the show, our hearty vegan meat. Add walnuts and pecans to a food processor, along with seasoning and spices. Today, we're using steak seasoning, smoked paprika, maple syrup, and vegan butter to give it a full beefy flavor. Lightly process and pulse everything together until it looks like ground beef. Next, we're gonna cook this up with our rainbow vegetables. In a large pot, saute down diced white onion until they are lightly browned. Next, add in diced bell peppers and cook them up with a splash of salt until they're a little bit soft. Now in goes the hearty walnut meat. Heat it up and season with minced pickles, diced tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, maple syrup, minced parsley, and if you want to, salt and pepper to taste. This filling right here is gonna taste just like biting into a big, juicy cheeseburger. With our filling ready, let's prep the tortillas. In a medium bowl, mix together water and flour to create a thick paste. This will help seal our taquitos perfectly. Now you're gonna lay out a large tortilla on a flat surface and then spoon a generous amount of the cheeseburger filling on the closest edge towards you. Sprinkle a good helping of that vegan cheddar cheese on top and then roll the tortilla tightly, pinching it forward as you go. Use that flour paste to seal the edge and keep everything snuggled up tightly inside. And now you're gonna repeat this process with all of your tortillas. Then pop them into the fridge until you're ready to cook. When you are ready to cook, heat up your oil in a large pot for deep frying or set your oven to 425 degrees if you prefer to bake. Once the oil is hot, carefully fry the taquitos 1 to 3 at a time until they're golden brown on all sides. If you're baking, place them on a covered baking sheet and bake them for 15 to 25 minutes, flipping them halfway through. While those taquitos are getting crispy, let's whip up our super special sauce. In a bowl, mix together vegan mayonnaise, minced pickles, ketchup, mustard, onion powder, apple cider vinegar, and a splash of maple syrup. This sauce is the perfect, creamy, tangy, delicious dip for your taquitos. And once your taquitos are done, place them on a towel-lined plate to remove any excess oil. Now, it's time to plate up, y'all. Pile those golden brown taquitos high, drizzle over some of that super special sauce, and garnish with shredded lettuce, minced fresh parsley, and diced tomatoes. Ooh, don't forget a side of that super special sauce for extra dipping. And y'all know what to do. Sing your song, do your dance, speak your truth, and dig into these delicious cheeseburger taquitos. Happy eating, my loves. Now, I told y'all we were gonna be treating ourselves, okay? We are always eating good in the vegan neighborhood. And if you wanna find out more about that balance, how you can thrive on a plant-based diet, I got you. Introducing Becoming One Great Vegan. This is an amazing course that we developed. It's got recipes, tips, tricks, transformational changes that you can make so you can thrive on a plant-based diet and live your best life through balance, through deliciousness, and everything to help you glow. Be sure to click that link in the bio. It has all the information that you need, and I cannot wait to see y'all in the next lesson. Peace, my loves.